Making money online is easier than expected and is easier than what people are thinking. There is a narrative of thinking that you can't make money either on YouTube or Facebook before you reach 1,000 views. Now, I've been talking about it, but today I want to answer this question, especially to TikTokers, most of the youth or the people who have become media personnel in quotes, or they have become content creators, social media entrepreneurs on these new coming up platforms. They don't know this. They all have the mindset of, if you don't have 1,000 views, it means you'll never get money. In today's video, I'm going to show you that you can earn money even with one view. And I'll be bringing for you one of the video on the first day, how it made money before reaching are they 20 views. This video is going not to be edited, it is going to be unedited. So I'm going to be showing you. If you don't see it, please, I'll not make a screenshot, but I'm here to emphasize and to tell some people who have been asking me on live that, is it true you can't earn money before reaching 1,000 views? Yes, you can't earn money before reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That is to be provided the monetization slot. That is the threshold. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. That is for people who wants to earn passive income in terms of AdSense revenue. For others, you can earn it. So this is the video that I shot recently and I premiered recently. It's about 10 easiest ways to make money online in Dubai with just your smartphone. This is it. So this video, and before reaching even 20 views. And how do you know it? You know it on a daily basis. So before this, you guys, good morning, good afternoon, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This video is purposely for education purposes. It is not, I'm not stepping in for financial advice and other things. I'm only bringing for you the things that have worked for me as a social media entrepreneur can also work for you. So go ahead, do research. You can do research in different ways. You can go to YouTube and research. You can go to Google. Google is one of the largest #1 platform, and YouTube is owned by Google. So just go there, research. After researching, you can see if you can do it. So, and my subscribers, I love you so much. To the engagers, you're awesome. So I shot this video recently, and by the time I'm recording, it has 32 views. It is one of the worst performing video, and I will be telling you in another video why it performed badly. It performed badly because of metadata. I did not put metadata as it was premiering. The metadata is like the thumbnail, the title, the description, all the tags. I did not put it there, and it ran for the whole day without it. So there was no way for how the algorithm would have suggested it outside, and I didn't share it to anyone at the beginning. It scored, it is ranking up now 10 out of 10, but it can be changed by me going and change the metadata and other things. So impression rate is a bit okay, because provided it is 2.9, it is okay. Then if we go to average duration, the video of 5 minutes, it is being watched a halfway, that is 2.56, which is okay. So let's go and see the amount of money it is earning, because this is where it is, where we want to see, is it really? But before we see the amount of money, we're going to see the reach. The reach matters. The impression has got 652. And how did viewers find this video? It was browser features, YouTube search, channel pages, and notifications. Yes. Then when we go to engagement is so low. The watch time for total video is 1 hour and 0.5 minutes. That is very low. No wonder that's how it acted very badly. When we go to see unique viewers, out of 32 views, unique viewers are 19, which is also okay. and subscribers are 0. Then we go to revenue, whereby we are going to sit there. And I told you this video is going to be very short for us. The revenue, it has $0.1. $0.1 as a creator, it's money, because $0.1 comes from 24 views. But these 24 views, why it became 0.1 in 24 views? It's because the revenue RPM was so low. The publishers paid CPM for only $5. This is one of the lowest I've ever got. 5.92. And out of 5.92, it brings RPM to be $4. Then the money that is given for 24 views is $0.1 or 0.1 cent, something like that. So why does this come like that? It comes like this because of reasons I've given you. Your metadata is much important. Then too, it can be changed, because this video is passive, and since it is passive, if we go to optimization tools, we'll see where we have gone wrong. You can change the thumbnail, like what I'll do it today. You can change the title, you can change the description, you can put best practices in terms of end caps, all those ones. And I call them end caps. The end screens, you can put it there. Then you also put other things, like you add the transcripts. When you do that, it will shoot up. So does it mean that it will remain at 0.1? No, dollar, it will not. By the time tomorrow, now they build 24 views and it has 32 views. It means by tomorrow it will be increasing. And as you change the metadata, if it reaches 100, it will be moving. Remember, its RPM is $4. It's not good, but it's not bad, because $4 for 1,000 views, it means if you're 200 views, you're somewhere. If you're 500 views, you'll be like around $2, which is a bit better. So I brought this video. I had to go and single out a video that has been paid badly and why, such that in another day I'll bring for you and you compare it. It can be bad today, but it will give you views. The view might be 1, might be 2, but it will give you views. And this is for YouTube. But if we go for Facebook, it is different also. Facebook, to me, my experience on videos, I always start earning from 100 views. The moment it clocks 100 views, the estimated income starts coming. It comes from 0 and it starts reading 100 views. And for photos, mostly photos, if I get views also 100 views and above with a good engagement, immediately it starts counting. So the more the views, the more the engagement on Facebook, the more the money, without forgetting the type of niche. Then on YouTube, it will depend on your RPM, CPM. It also determines, but at any cost, whether you have 5 views, whether you have 10 views, whether you have 20 views, you'll get money. Without forgetting that your CPM matters and RPM. Because if your RPM is $1, don't expect to get money with 10 views. If your RPM is 8, 10, 20, like I always get $20 for RPM. So that means that me with 100 views, you find I'm already above $2. So I came to at least encourage somebody out there that let's change that narrative. Your payment is not based on views. Your payment is based on very many best practices, without forgetting your niche that affects the RPM, without forgetting the metadata, without forgetting the optimization of your videos. Hope we get me. Let me see in another video. Bye bye.